Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Maher. I'm President OSP Karachi. This is a great honor for me to invite you all for 40th Karophth from 23rd to 25th August. I would like to express my most sincere gratitude for your presence in this Congress. We are going to have first national conference on medical education and ophthalmology, as well as national symposium on retinoblastoma. We have invited eminent ophthalmologists from all over the country and some very notable ophthalmologists from abroad. We are organizing pre-Congress workshops on masterclass in fundoscopy, which will be for first year and second year residents, neuro-ophthalmic emergencies, as well as session on VR surgery. We look forward to seeing you in Karachi. We want you to enjoy this Congress and take back happy memories of knowledge, experience, and also meeting your friends. Thank you.